Good evening from the Arizona desert. My name is Tom and I'm out here in Phoenix, Arizona, and these are the nightly DoorDash numbers from the desert. And we are logging February 5th, Thursday, February 5th. Yes, I said logging. Why? Because I fell asleep again. And it's starting to really get irritating because I don't know what's going on. But we're going to show the numbers. As you can see, I didn't even get an end of shift screenshot. So we finished 290.77. We were about 9 o'clock, 9:30, and I decided that, hey, something's going on. I don't know why. I'm hitting a wall, and I pulled over outside of my zone this time to take a nap. Well, that nap turned into a full 2.5 hours, and I woke up to my midnight alarm. And, wow. I'm just sitting there at my wit's ends going, what's going on? I have no idea. Something has changed and I don't know what. So I'm going to make a video right after this to try and explain what I think is going on. But at any rate, you can see I finished with 37 deliveries. And out of 32 offers, 37 deliveries, a lot of batches. 10:10 p.m. is when they ended my shift, and this time they did it correctly, and I think that may have been either one, the bug wasn't present because of a 4-stop clear cache and everything else, and earlier, and so that failure part of the DoorDash app was not present, or it was that I was outside of my zone, and therefore it was not triggering to give me an offer. So it must have sent an offer that I missed, put me into the 35-minute pause. So like I said, about 9:30, and then it kicked me off at 10:10 p.m., which I'm very thankful for, because that's how I know that the system works, and that's the safety valve that was in place. My safety valve is, if I feel tired, I pull over. So let's go back in, go look at the numbers, daylight screen, because I've started my dash already here on Friday. Remember, it's a half day today because of my daughter's birthday. We're also getting the windshield repaired at 2 o'clock. Somebody's coming on out to the house to do a mobile repair. So we're going to go into the numbers real quick. Currently, we're at a 79. Excuse me, we were at a 79, but we're entering into those 9 in a row declines from 2 days ago, and so those have already been pushed out because of the numbers that I've been posting so far. So I was at a 79 first thing this morning, 100% completion, 100% on time, 5.0 customer service, 1109 for 30 days, and 47,844. So I'm going to make this other video here real quick and let you know what I think is going on. Have a great day.